Jump ball between Candola and Habib. Paredes. Dribble ball, pass to Evangelista, back to Paredes. Back to Evangelista, pass to Candola for 3. 3 points para Candola. Swerte lang. Bumawi si Punsalan. No good. Rebound by Evangelista. Evangelista. Looking for teammate. Pass to Paredes. Inside pass to Mendoza. 15 seconds to shoot. Evangelista. No good. The Chavez for 2. No good. Rebound by Evangelista. Steal para Yapin. Ayan na. Pass to Punsalan with an easy 2 points. 3-2. Pass to Elano. Back to Andola. Pass to Paredes. Driver 3. No good. Rebound para Elano. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Back to Elano. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound para Mendoza. Mendoza. Looking for teammate, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Punsalan for 3. No good. Rebound para kay Mendoza. Pass to Evangelista. Pass to Candola. Try for 3 again. No good. Rebound para Yapin. Mix pass. Nagmamadali. Pass to Punsalan with an easy 2 points. What a connection between Punsalan and Yapin. Paredes, pass to Mendoza, for 3, no good, rebound para Punsalan. Put it across over, Punsalan, steal para Evangelista. Evangelista, in and out, with a left, no good, but save on. Shot is down to 10. Inbound para Elano, pass to Evangelista, 2 points. Foul on jersey number 13. Mendoza is the first personal foul, first team foul. Personal foul on jersey number 13. All 5. Second row. Para jersey number 13, Carlos. Appeal. Big spot. Pass to Tete. Drive for 3. Yeah, 3 points para Tete. 8-5. 3 for D para sa Team Brittany. Candola. Strong drive, basket is good. Mendoza, drive for 3. 3 points para Mendoza. 11-7, 4 point lead para sa Team Brittany. Evangelista with a pull-up jumper. Basket. Big spot with a letter. Dribble wall. Low for teammate. To crossover. Big spot. No good. Rebound para Elano. Pass to Evangelista. But there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 7. Mendoza is the first personal foul. First team foul. First row, basket. Second row. Basket pa rin. All 11. Punsalan. Pass to mix pad. Inside pass to Carlos with an easy 2 points. Paredes, pass to Evangelista. Paredes, pass to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Evangelista for 3. 3 points para Evangelista. Steal para Paredes. Pass to Evangelista. Drive, tiered up, no good. Rebound para Carlos. Pass to Punsalan. Punsalan, lilipad, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Evangelista is the first personal foul. Second team foul. First row, basket. Ready for sub? Second row, basket. Subject. JJ for 3. No good. Rebound by Steal by Golosas. Out of bounds, yellow ball. Ilano. 15 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, Brittany ball. Steal para Gandola. Pass to Evangelista. Pass break, pass to Paredes. We got the first shot. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. 5 points to Black. Punsalan. Looking for teammate. Inside pass to Carlos. With a shot. 2 points para Carlos. Paredes. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza, Basilano. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul, counted. Foul on jersey number 7. Mendoza is the second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot for Evangelista.
Wala pa nga. Ano ba kayo? Baka next score.
Kaya bang sipasan? Lispad. Looking for teammate. 15 seconds to shoot with an inside pass to Carlos. 2 points by Carlos. Paredes. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass to Gandola. Back to Paredes for 3. No good. Rebound para Steal para Gandola. Sa akin na to. Hindi na wala. Ako ni Mendoza. Evangelista for 3. 10. Evangelista 3. My day secured. Hapin, wala pa rin. Nako ni Gandola, pass to Paredes. Pass to Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Pass to Golosas. Golosas, nagmamadali with the no good. Rere. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Milano for 3. No good. Rebound para kay Carlos. Pinang pa kay Mendoza. Pass to Punsalan. Try for 3. No good. Rebound para kay Milano. Pass to Paredes. Paredes. Looking for teammate. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Mandola. Sa akin na to. No good pa rin. Naman ni Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Milano. Pass to Mandola. Sa akin na to ulit. Wala pa. Malay lang. Malay naman. Punsalan. Granero. Pass to Mendoza. Inside pass to Estiel para kay Paredes. Paredes. Pass to Candola. Inside pass to Paredes. Inside pass to jersey number. Sayang. Hindi ko sinakita yung number eh. Punsalan. Drive for 3. 3 points para kay Punsalan. Paredes. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Pass to Evangelista. Inside pass to Candola. Pass to Paredes. Mga 3 seconds violation. Pass break pass to Carlos. 2 points para kay Carlos. Paredes with a crossover. 15 seconds to shoot. Candola. Bombero with a side step move, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 17. Appeal. It's the first personal foul. 3rd team foul. First throw. Basket. Shoutout po kay Epitacio yan. Mula sa Stone 2. Bugay pa sa San Jose para lang makanood. Paredes. Traveling violation to 24-22. 2-point lead para sa Britannies. 30 seconds. Mendoza. Back to Punsalan. With a fake. Outside pass to Apin. Joseph. Looking for a teammate. 10 seconds to shoot. Punsalan. No good. The rebound para kay Candola. Candola is now only 1. Apin. Inside pass to Carlos. What a play para kay Carlos and Apin. Tako ay takin ko na, Tim. Carlos. Coming for 3, wala. Andiyan sa ba? Sorry. Foul on jersey number 13. I think 13. Oh, 13 na. First personal foul, first team foul. Second throw. Jason Carlos. Jason Carlos. Pass to Nano Sibua. Inside pass to Still Baray Candola. Pass break, pass to Arciaga. With a power layup. No good. Rebound by Aguilar. With an easy 2 points. Inside pass to Carlos. Tatlong Carlos pala to. Paredes. Pass to Aguilar. Pass to Juan. For 3. Spider-Man. Di gumana yung sakot, pre. Sibua. Nagpasa na sa kanya. Outside pass. Bola ng Brittany. Sibua. Bring the ball. Inside pass to Carlos. For 2 points. Easy 2 points para Carlos. Candola with a letter. 15 seconds to shoot. Candola. Drive. Inside pass to Aguilar. No good. Rebound para Carlos. Pass to Carlos. Pass to Carlos. Out of bounds. Carlos ball. Pass to Carlos. Inside pass to Carlos. Carlos ball talaga. Ang lupit. Carlos to Carlos connection. Candola, side step. Rapid violation. Ready for timeout. Benito. Number 3. No good. Rebound para Carlos. With an easy 2 points. Nakakawalapin nyo na. Baka may Carlos pa dyan. Paredes. Pass to Arciaga for 3. No good. Rebound para Benito. But there's a foul on jersey number 1. Candola. Timeout yellow. Back to the ball game. Up. May lumabas. Evangelista. Inside pass to Isdil para kay Nino. Nakaninano. Pass break. Pass to Carlos. Pass to Carlos. 2 points by Carlos. Ang ganda ng Carlos to Carlos connection talaga. Candola. Pass to Isdil para kay Nano. Pass break. Pass to Carlos. Butters of out. Bounce back. Foul on jersey number 3, Aguilar. It's the first personal foul, second team foul. Carlos. Pass to Sibua. With a period of shots. Basket is good. Kala ko magbabasar ka pa sa area. Evangelista with a heavy move. Inside pass to Candola, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 13. Carlos is the second personal foul, second team foul. Ito lang. Isa lang po. Isa lang. Second row para kay Candola. Pass to Carlos. Inside pass to Isdale para kay Aguilar. Aguilar with the Toro move. Ayan na. Inside pass to Paredes. 2 points. Carlos with a Superman shot. No good. Pinefikaw kay Salpangan. Kaya naman. Foul number 3. Aguilar is a second personal foul. Third team foul. Kala ko slam dunk na eh. Basket. Second row. Para kay Carlos. 2 points. 8-point lead para sa Team Brittany. Evangelista. With a jump step. Jump ball. Same ball. 5 minutes and 7 seconds. Paredes. In and out. With the side step, still para Sibua. Sibua. Pass to Carlos with a jump shot, no good. Manipis, boss, manipis. Evangelista. No good. Rebound by Aguilar with an easy 2 points. 6-point lead para sa Brittany. Benito. Pass to Carlos. Pass to Carlos again. With a alley-oop pass, no good. Pass to Arciaga. Pass to Evangelista, but there's a foul on jersey number 3. Carlos is the second personal foul, 13 foul. Inbound by Evangelista. Ready for stop rep. Oy! Carlos. Lumipad! Ayan na! Yan ka na talaga yung kanina. Umarang na si Arki. Evangelista. Dribble the ball. Set the play. Lumipad teammate. 15 seconds to shoot. Evangelista. Step up. Crossover. 10 seconds to shoot. With a strong line, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 6. 15. 15 po. Evangelista with a fake foul counted. Foul on jersey number 7. Penalty. Mendoza is a third personal foul penalty. Sibua. Pass to Carlos. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Rebound by Benito. With a power shot. No good for him. Paredes, crossover with an easy 2 points para kay Paredes. Paredes, low for teammate, 15 seconds to shoot. Dodo for 3, no good. Rebound by Carlos. Nagulat, still para Evangelista. Offensive foul para Evangelista. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 40-36. 4.8 para sa Team Brittany. Sibua. Nagpasa na pa sa ere. No good. Foul on jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 is the third personal foul penalty. Sumobra sa tisa, boss. Second row by Aguilar, no good. Rebound by Carlos. Still pa rin Nido. Nido pa rin. Pass to Carlos. No good. Rebound by Aguilar. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista in and out with an easy layout. Sibua. Foul. Jersey number 14. Gonzalez. It's a first personal foul penalty. Both teams are penalty. Paredes. 15 seconds to shoot. Paredes. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez for 3. No good. Rebound para Enido. Enido. Pass to Carlos. Inside pass to Carlos. No good. Rebound para Paredes. In and out. Fast break. Pass to Aguilar with the easy 2 points. 1 minute and 3. Carlos. In the drive. Basket. Para Juan. Jersey number 10. Rebound para Aguilar. Pass to Paredes. Foul. Counted. Para Paredes. Foul on jersey number 14. Enido. It's the first personal foul penalty. Ball speed roll. Basket. Still ako pa rin ito, okay? Okay, nagdadala ng bola. Paredes, nagdadala ng bola. Nagkaroon ng papasahan. Pinasa ka ito, Tom. End of the second quarter. Out of bounds. Teteng, nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Mixpad. 15 seconds to shoot. Teteng for 3. No good. Rebound para kay Aguilar. Pass break, pass to Evangelista. Side step with an easy layup. Balik sa dalawang kalabanan ng yellow. Last 9 minutes past the third quarter. Enido. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Punsalan. 5 points again. No good. The rebound para kay Aguilar. Pass to Paredes. Pass to Steele. Out of bounds. Save ball. Out of bounds. Mixpad. With an inside pass to Carlos. No good. Rebound pa kay Mixpad. Fake. But there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 15. Ilano. Isa. First personal foul. First team foul. Inside pass to Pin. Foul ulit. Jersey number 15 ulit. Second personal foul, second team foul. First throw, basket. Second throw para kay Apil. Nako. Jersey number 14. Denido is a second personal foul, first team foul. Second row para kay Aguilar. Isa pa. Request ni Rep. Isa pa. Antayin nyo muna daw tumama sa rin. Doble break. Pass break, pass to. Still para Evangelista. JD Evangelista. Pass to Paredes. Ilano. Shot is down to 13. Paredes 3, no good. Rebound by Carlos. Pass to Mixpad. Aliu pass to Punsalan. One connection between Apin and Punsalan. Ilano, pull up jumper. Evangelista, no good. Rebound pa rin Evangelista. Looking for teammate, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Andola. 10 seconds to shoot. Illegal screening by Ilano. Ilano is the third personal foul, 13 foul. Punsalan, dribbling the ball, lower for teammate, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Apin, lumipad na with an easy 2 points. Mababa panlipat. Aguilar. Inside pass to Ilano with a fake. Yun lang. 6 minutes and 35 seconds. Punsalan. Step back 3. No good. Rebound pa rin Aguilar. Pass to Evangelista. JJ Evangelista. Drive. Foul. Counted. Foul on jersey number 13. Carlos. It's the second personal foul. Second team foul. What a shot. Basket. 1 point lead para sa Team Yellow. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Kapil. Pass to Gonzalan. Inside pass to Paredes. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Rebound pa rin Carlos. Carlos. Nagmamadali. Pass to Mapin. Lumipad na. Carlos yan. Relax. Oh, foul yun. Double dribble. Punsalan, pass to Mapin. Fake, drive with an easy 2 points para X5. Pass to Evangelista. Evangelista. Inside pass to out of bounds. Brittany ball. Lamang na po ng tatlo ang Team Brittany. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Para Gonzalan. Aguilar with an easy 2 points. Mixman, pass to Gonzalan. Teteng for 3. No good. Rebound para Gandola. Uma. With the ball. Uma. With a spin. Nako ni Mendoza, pass to Aguilar. Out of bounds. Brittany ball. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gonzalan. Outside pass to Apil. Still para Paredes. Paredes with a spin move. There's a foul. Foul on jersey number 14, Ennido. It's a third personal foul, third team foul. Five seconds. Three points para Paredes. Last 3 minutes. Next spot. Intercepted, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number Aguilar. Sino ba? Paredes, 16. It's the first personal foul Warning for penalty. Rescue for them. Foul on jersey number. Who's fouled? Number 4. The first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams are warning for penalty. First throw. Basket. Pag na-shoot mo daw yung mga may sapatos ka. Oh. Joke lang yun, joke lang. Punsalan with a fake and shot. 3 points para kay Punsalan. Lamang na ng isa ang Brittany. Mendoza, pass to Evangelista, 10 seconds to shoot. Paredes with a 3, no good. Rebound para Aguilar with a strong move. Rebound by Paredes with a easy 2 points. Hapin with a easy 2 points. Evangelista, pass to Paredes, 15 seconds to shoot. No good, rebound para Mendoza. Pass to Punsalan. Inside pass to. Rebound para Punsalan. Punsalan pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass to Golosa with an easy 2 points. Foul on jersey number 17, Hapin. So second personal foul penalty. First throw para Evangelista. Basket. Second throw para Evangelista. No good. Rebound para Carlos. Pass to Hapin. Pass to Punsalan. Back to Hapin. Inside pa to Carlos. 2 points. Paredes. Pass to Mendoza. 15 seconds to shoot. Candola. Looking for a teammate. But there's a traveling violation. "30 seconds para sa third quarter. 4.8 para sa Team Brittany. Punsalan, 15 seconds to shoot. Serga play. 15 seconds. Out of bounds, save ball. Shot is down to 7. 12 seconds. 7 to shoot. Still para kay Aguilar with a pass break pass to Paredes with an easy 2 points. 5 seconds. Basketball game para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Makakatulog na yung mga taga-Emerald. Konting oras na lang. Mendoza. Pass to Aguilar. Pass to Evangelista. Back to Mendoza. Try for three. No good. Rebound para kay Hapin. Hapin. Lumipad ng lepan. No good. Rebound para kay Evangelista. Evangelista. Pass to Paredes. Inside pass to Mandola with a paint. But there's a foul. Kumiri by jersey number 1. Gonzalan is the first personal foul. First team foul. Gonzalan. Look at what he made, 15 seconds to shoot. Inside pass to Carlos. No good, rebound para kay out of bounds, save ball. Shot is down to 14. Hapin. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalan 3. Evangelista. Mendoza, pass to Paredes. 2 points para kay Candola. Hapin, pass to Gonzalan. Back to Hapin, pass to Mendoza, 15 seconds to shoot. Hapin, look at teammate, pass to Gonzalan for 3. No good, rebound para kay Mendoza. Now ulit si Chavez, pass to Hapin for 3. Hapin, 3. Mendoza, pass to Candola, no good, rebound para kay Hapin. Hapin in the letter. Pass to Gonzalan. What a play para kay Gonzalan ng Hapin. Evangelista with a crossover. Side step, relation of no good. Diba para kay Carlos. Pass to Hapin. Inside pass to Chavez for the easy 2 points. 1 for the lane the game. Evangelista. Oy! Nakita ni referee yun. Offensive foul para kay Evangelista. Evangelista is up. It's a second personal foul, first team foul. Gonzalan, inside pass to Hapin with that fake and easy 2 points para kay Hapin. Ang pagbabalik. Paredes, dribble the ball, pass to Mendoza, looking for teammate. Pass to Mandola, but there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 is the third personal foul, second team foul. Second foul, para kay Mandola. Basket. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Gonzalan. 10 seconds to shoot. Gonzalan. Outside pass to Chavez for 3. No good. Rebound para kay Carlos. No good pa rin. Kay Carlos pa rin. But there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 3. Aguilar is a third personal foul. Second team foul. Ready for sub-ref. Evangelista. Nagmamadali. Evangelista. Steal para kay Apin. Apin with a foul counted. Foul on jersey number 1. It's a second personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus free throw para kay Apin. Paredes. Inside pass to Aguilar with a spin move pass to Mendoza. 15 seconds to shoot. Outside pass to Evangelista for 3. Evangelista 3. Enero. Now we have 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Carlos, patras sa foul. Namatanda. Foul on jersey number 3. Warning for Broadway. Shot is down to 5. Sama pati mo eh. Good. Basket para kay Carlos. Apin, pass to Enido with an easy 2 points. 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Candola. But there's a foul on jersey number 17. Apin. It's a third personal foul. Third team foul. Evangelista, pass to Mendoza, pass to Paredes, back to Skinner by Enidoy. Bola ng Brittany. Four minutes and 45 seconds. Carlos. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 86-73. Inside pass to Carlos. Pass to Apin with a fake. Good. Pass break pass to Paredes. Traveling violation. Ang bilis ni Gokay. Parang binabahan ng spaceship eh, no? Apin for 3. No good. Rebound by out of bounds. Yellow ball. 13-point lead para sa team Brittany. Wait lang daw, wait lang. Candola with a left hand layup, 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Apin, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Carlos. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gonzalez. Carlos, brilliant ball. Setting a play. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Apil. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Apil with a spin move. Outside pass to Carlos. For 3, no good. The rebound para circular. Nakakuha ni Gandola. With a crossover, Gandola. Side step, lays it up for 2. Foul down there. Foul on jersey number 13. 13 is now warning for graduate. Sino ba? 13 daw eh, sabi ni request. Si senior. Ready for timeout. Apil, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Apil, pass to Punsalan. No good. Rebound by Aguilar. Pass break, pass to Mendoza. Ayan na! Uwi na. 2 points para Mendoza. 6.8 para sa Team Brittany. Ready for timeout. Punsalan with a layup with an easy point. Alaji, that's good. Apil, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Apil, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Carlos. 2 points para Carlos. Evangelista, Buquelo with a side step. 2 points para Evangelista. 8.8 para sa Team Brittany. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Steal para Gandola. Pass to Mendoza. Pass to Evangelista. No good. But there's a foul on jersey number 13. Penalty.
Nakagulo pa din bolo.
Shoutout kay Jurel. Asa ka na? Renido. Pass to Punsalan. Pass to Apil. 10 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute. Apil, lumipad. No good. Rebound para kay Carlos. With an easy 2 points. Good, galing shoot. Good. Oh, wala pang las eh. Evangelista with a layout. Last 47.99 seconds. Apil. Pass break pass to Carlos with a sexy shot. 2 points. Evangelista. Last 30 seconds. Si Uma naman daw next. May 24 seconds pa.